Watch this, YouTube. That's 3 nuggets.
Someone's tapping out? He's gonna get the hiccups in a second.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to Vince Society. We're going to have a new challenge for today. This is going to be the first episode of Food Challenges. Here I have my sister.
Hi.
Isn't she pretty? She's pretty
Yes.
pretty. Yeah. And we have a friend in the background. She's going to be helping us out. But as you can see, this is the 100 Nugget Challenge. I went a little extra and got some large fries and some smoothies. The goal of the challenge is to just finish it. It's usually one person alone, but I don't think we could do it alone. So my goal is to get at least 60 done. I don't know if she could get 20, but I'm also going to time us to see how long it takes us. And we're doing some random Q&As just for you guys.
Wait, are we doing this? Is there a time limit?
There's no time limit. I'm going to try to get it under 30 minutes or 40 minutes, but we will see. And I'll count us down when it starts. Hold on. 3, 2, 1.
I don't really like the Big Mac sauce with the chicken nuggets. I thought it was gonna be good,
It's bomb with the fries.
but it does taste good on like the burgers. I mean, I just had high expectations for it.
Yeah. I'm always a sweet and sour type of guy. What type of sauce are you type of guys? Not strictly McDonald's, because I don't want any of you guys saying like Chick-fil-A sauce and stuff. Right now, I'm pretty confident. I think we can beat this challenge. Leave in the comments below right now if you think we're gonna win or not. I think we can do it. I'm pretty hungry now. I wasn't hungry earlier.
Come on, you can do it.
One and done.
Come on, Bia, beat him.
I'm gonna put the fries in here. Halftime break. No. Now we're going to do Q&As. The other day, I posted on my Instagram story at Vinny Sang, follow me. In my Instagram story for a Q&A with me and my sister. I'm not that popular. 100 people and plus saw it, but only one person gave me a question. But it's okay. We have random Q&As on my laptop.
What's the first question?
So the first question for us today from @j.sizzle.f. If you could only live with one, which one would you pick? Fruits or vegetables?
That's a hard one.
Really?
Yeah.
I have my answer already.
It's probably fruits, isn't it? I knew it.
I'm a fruit guy. I hate peeling fruits though.
Yeah. I like them both a lot. I think I would have to go for fruits too.
Alright, I'm gonna explain why and then you're gonna explain why. I think it's fruits because you gotta love sweet mango, watermelon, apples, easy to quick and go, bananas are a go-to. They all help you and yeah, they're just easier. That's why I like fruits and they're more sweet.
Yeah. I think they're more easily accessible. Well, I guess vegetables are kind of easy to eat too. But I was more thinking like, I really like strawberries and grapes. and mangoes.
Mm.
So that's my reasoning.
Sweet mango or
I love all mangoes. I don't discriminate.
I don't.
If you had to change your name, what would your new name be and why would you choose that name?
Oh, let me go. Arya. Why? Game of Thrones. And it's my favorite
I thought
name.
you were
And
gonna-
it's what I'm gonna name my daughter if I ever have one.
I thought you were gonna say Pretty Little Liars.
Oh yeah, that too. But that's, Game of Thrones makes more sense, right?
Yeah.
What about you?
Jason. I'll be Jason.
Because you were.
Only because I was going to be Jason.
Yeah.
And mom keeps on saying I was going to name you Jason. And then if I was going to give you a middle
Well,
name.
guess who got to pick your name?
You?
Woohoo!
It was ultimately up to me.
Why'd you choose Vincent?
Because I thought it was different and unique. Not many people have the name. And Victoria and Vincent.
That's
B&B.
You already.
Who would play you in a film?
Who would play you in the film?
Like in a movie?
Shay Mitchell. I love her so much. What about you? Ooh, or Kate Hudson. I love her too.
She's white.
And I'm not where Shay Mitchell's from, which is like Filipino and some other place.
Wait, so is the actor acting like us or we're becoming the actor?
Like a biography on the life.
Who would you want to be the actor playing it? Doesn't matter who.
I will want to be Robert Downey Jr.
He's cool.
Because he's just outgoing and stuff, and like, I feel like I want to kind of be like him. I don't want to be cocky like that, but like, he's just really expressive and funny. Or Adam Sandler. Adam Sandler's a really good one too.
Would you rather be hairy or bald?
I would rather be hairy because then I can always wax or shave. When you're bald, you can't grow hair.
What if it's like hair beyond like that? You can't. Because it grows back like every day.
Then I'd be shaving and cutting and razoring every day.
Same, and I kind of want the cyber and goatee look, so.
All right, next question, please.
Would you rather be clever or beautiful?
Clever.
Same. Because you can outthink everything, and you can make yourself look beautiful if you're clever.
Word. Next.
If you had one wish come true, what would it be?
I wish that $1 billion would fall on my lap at this very moment right now. It's not gonna happen.
I would wish, just to be different, I was gonna wish for money too. I'm gonna wish that everyone that's important in my life, including me, has everything to make it like a comfortable living and stable living, and not have everyone struggling.
Yeah,
And
so if you had money, you could help the people in your life do
Well,
that.
not just like money wise, like their satisfaction in themselves and stuff. Like they're okay with like who they are as a person, or like they get this like thing that they want and stuff like that. That's my wish.
That's sweet, man.
Just to be different.
All right, next.
Oh, last one. And halftime break over. I think if I didn't eat earlier, I could knock this out. But also,
Tell them what you ate earlier.
I got Taco Bell after work, and I got a steak nacho thing because I saw it on commercials and I wanted to try it.
It's a challenge for them. Have you ever gone to a room and forgotten why?
Oh my god, many of times. Many of times.
Same. I'll walk in and I'll be like, why the fuck am I here again? What do I need? And then I'll walk back out to my car and like, oh yeah, and I'll walk back in. I'm like, I needed this. And then
Have you ever done it twice though? I have.
I think I have, but I just can't remember it.
What animal would you choose to be?
A whale.
Oh, whale. I didn't expect that answer.
They're so graceful and beautiful, and they're the largest mammals in the world.
Really?
I would be a tiger, because you're the tiger. And they're beasts. So.
Who would you like to be for a day?
Bella.
Quick, zoom in Bella, zoom in Bella.
Let's bring her over here.
Yay!
This is Bella.
Hi guys!
This is my niece
Hello.
and their daughter. Right?
Me and my best friend aren't lesbians. I need to clarify.
Mommy? Why do I have 2 moms?
She's like, why am I here?
She wants the nugget.
Can I have food?
Okay, so I would be Bella.
Dang it, you
You're
spoiled.
so
Just
sweet.
because I want to know, like, what goes on in her head, you know, during the day. Like, I just honestly want to know.
She's probably like, human, feed me.
Thanks, Mama.
I would want to be in my friend group. I would want to be Ryan Yee because he's just really good at everything. And then I would want to see how it's like being Tariq too because he's just really buff and he can lift a lot.
All right.
Okay, well, as you can see, we didn't pass, but I don't think we did too bad for just 2 people. Hope you guys like the challenge. Maybe there's more to come. Leave that in the comments down below if you have any ideas or anything. Please like and subscribe for more content. Follow me on Instagram at Vinny Sang, Twitter at VincentSang3, Snapchat handle VinnyChin117. Everything will be on the link below. And I hope you guys like it. See you in the next video.
Bye.